pause the video when we edit.
Well, you can say your offer.
6,
Sold.
7, 6?
600 sold.
600. Okay.
600 sold. See ya, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 bucks a box. You guys know what I paid.
Up. I know you guys heard me say 7.
I know you said 7, but you said 6. I don't care. You want to know what I paid for him, Tom?
I don't want to know.
Okay.
Those are your secrets to behold.
100 bucks.
How much?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm a little choked up. Pirates of all ages. Just had to cut my lock out here with the Ford because the Dodge is still in the shop and I left my keys somewhere. Couldn't get in, so I had to cut my lock on my trailer. Great way to start the morning off. Tony just brought up a good point. There is way too many Chiefs and not enough Indians over there. We've been here for 25 minutes. Uncle Mike, Scott, and Alex, they got out 2 boxes and they're fraternizing. We're over here, halfway unloaded, even though I showed up later than them, and we're making money. Here's the plan for today besides trying to stay warm because it is freezing. We got to get this off. We got to blast this out. We got to get to the dumps. Then we got to go back to the storage, unload the rest of the U-Haul because time permitting, we did not get done in time. Then we got to get to Oakland and fill up a U-Haul and trailer and be done with the 40 pallets we bought yesterday. Here we are at the flea market and look at Scott out here selling unopened stuff.
Hi, people.
I hope you overlook $1 million item today.
Don't you wish that upon me, Ricky Bobby?
This is my favorite part of yesterday is a whole new set of brand new pads.
Yeah.
What is that, Ryan?
I don't know.
Can I see it?
Bougie all over it. I look at your video. It's not gonna be good.
Uncle Michael, it's not. It's just a piece of art.
$5. Open all this, guys. Don't do that.
Don't open it?
Why?
I thought he wanted to go
Because we got to go through it.
That's what he's opening it for. What is wrong with you?
You gotta watch him.
And if you can do it, we should do it out here so I can keep working.
This is what you call a disgruntled employee, ladies and gentlemen. Disgruntled. They can't bite if they don't see it. We're just gonna load everything back up. Uncle Michael don't want to sell it.
Here you go.
Fragile glass.
Watch yourself. Don't cut yourself. Free video today, I see.
What?
Nothing.
Free video? Or is it just gonna be scenes in my video? I'm gonna go do other things too. Huh?
Found the gun.
Found gun. Oh, found gun. I bought. What was the one that Jeebus bought?
I don't know. It looked like it.
An AR?
No.
He put it on his Facebook. It's not a secret.
I don't know what it was. It looked like something big.
It did look something big. We got a Keurig. Who wants a Keurig?
It's not even a Keurig.
That says Keurig.
It's not. It's the thing to hold the Keurig coffee.
Ladies and gentlemen, please comment below if you think that's a Keurig.
Bet.
$1? Let me come over here for this appraisal.
Uncle Mike's telling me these are real Tiffany. I got 4 sets of them.
You know why he's saying that? Because they're Tiffany style lamps.
No. Oh, why don't you deal Tiffany on the one?
Yeah, Dale Tiffany. That's the difference between DeWalt
What's that guy?
and Ryobi. It is. DeWalt owns Ryobi, just like Tiffany owns Dale Tiffany. Dale Tiffany's cheap.
Really?
Mine weren't cheap.
Yes, yours were.
No, they weren't. Trust me.
Just because you overpaid for them does not mean that they weren't cheap. Been dealing with some stuff today. Kids, being a single parent, full-time parent, whatever you want to call it, it's not the easiest job. I feel for anybody out there who's ever experienced any mom, dad, grandma, uncle, whoever's taking responsibility of a kid, whatever. It is a tough job. Anyway, we've been selling stuff. Tony's got most of this done. I got to go because, like I said, we got to pick up the other stuff. We're going to do a $1 sale. Yeah, continue.
I gotta find them.
Did you get camera? He can have it for $1. We'll just sell $1 and somebody will take it on. Ready?
He was gonna pay us. He goes, I don't have the money right now.
I don't even care.
Okay, gonna get you extra time.
I don't care.
Okay,
We're
great.
over this.
Okay.
I'm losing time right now.
All right.
I got places to be. Everything's $1. $1. $1. Actually, I just skip the free.
No, let's try a little bit.
Oh my God.
All right, $50 for this guy.
$1 for every single item.
$1.
$1. Everything's $1. Same stuff Scott has, but only $1. What is it?
Free!
Free? Free? Did somebody take the couch?
Yes.
Whoo! Did somebody take the mattress and box spring?
Yes, it's gone.
Nice.
I've got rid of all the big...
Gratis! Gratis! Everything is free! Everything is free. Everything is free right here. Look at all that. Look at all of that. And that's a wrap. We're basically ready. Haul this stuff over to Scott's trailer. Work as a team. Scott's going to the dumps with Uncle Mike, so I told him I'll give you $50 to take my little trash. It's probably like $15, $20 in weight. Helps cover his fees.
No, I think I got 4.
4? What'd you sell your own stuff?
Yeah.
Here's what's up.
Oh, we're videoing. Yeah, hey, what's up?
We're gonna go through these records real quick, everybody. What is it?
It's
Heavy,
soul,
soul,
and gospel.
and gospel.
And
a little bit of rock.
About 800 records here.
All right.
And look, there's a Jimi Hendrix with no record in it. Come on, people.
What was your offer for them?
My offer? I don't know. Gosh. That's where you pause the video when we edit.
Well, you can say your offer.
6,
Sold.
7, 6?
600 sold.
600. Okay.
600 sold. See ya, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $100 a box. You guys know what I paid.
Up. I know you guys heard me say 7.
I know you said 7, but you said 6. I don't care. You want to know what I paid for him, Tom?
I don't want to know. That's
Okay.
those are your secrets to behold.
$100.
How much?
$100.
Oh man. Well,
Yep.
that's a good ROI.
Yep.
ROI, as our man Mr. Jackie would say.
Guys, I usually go through these records, but I also trust the guy's opinion on, and the fact that I can look at them and see they're not the greatest.
There's actually a couple sealed ones in here.
Yeah.
And I will be reporting back to you about those.
It is what it is.
So no, it's the right thing to do. If there's something ridiculous,
Almost the blue notes. See that, guys?
yeah, not
And the blue notes.
yeah.
Someone's giving me grief the other day, telling me about blue notes like I never
wait.
heard of them.
Oh, look at that! Get that one.
Nice.
Not that super-
I'm happy. What is all these records? Garbage records. No, I hope not. Say 18. Oh my gosh, look at I got all this stuff here. I totally forgot how much there was. Goes all the way down to here. Stops right there at that sofa. And then all of this right here. That's not me. It's all this stuff down here. No. Wow. I smell a blender. That is kitchen stuff. Dishes. We'll probably not be going through that one very thorough. Hello Kitty.
Chinese.
Pride and Prejudice.
I think you guys could fold them a little well.
You could have what?
Fold them.
The red ones? They got a big hole in the back. We got too many couches. Ooh, what is that? AirPods. What's in that envelope? 100 grand cash. Those weird PlayStation games, those look like money actually, Scott. Not those. See the ones that say PlayStation 2 in the Japanese or Chinese writing? Yeah. PlayStation, those are actually probably some money right there. Nice. And there's another one, look at that. Parasite Eve. Ooh, look at, I like those. Nice. 5:30 in the afternoon. We're almost done here now after a long day, helping Scott and Uncle Mike load Scott's truck. We already loaded up my U-Haul and trailer. Here we got the Ford loaded down. Let me look on air here. Okay, good driver always Texas thing. We got all of this right here loaded down. 16 feet of pure pleasure, and here is the 20-foot U-Haul. Look at that, 20-foot U-Haul. It's hard to see, it's dark, and they're loaded down. At least up in the front it's tall, and then waist high here. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen, on that load. Now we gotta take all this feats of pleasure here of trailer and truck, and we gotta go and we gotta sort. We gotta make videos, and we gotta find treasure. I can promise we're gonna find treasure, because if you remember, I told you I found one item that retails for over $10,000 that I'll be showing here soon. We'll probably get right to the bat on showing that very soon here in the next video or two. Will be hard to tell you if I go and start unboxing this for the next videos, or if I go to the 10x15s that I bought the day before, these 40 pallets, or if I get to the last unboxing of the TV executive unit. I can't tell you, because this is how my brain thinks. I got so many things I'm going on, because Hustle, Grind, and Wine is a forward motion of constant progress, and we buy heavily so that we can sell heavily.